Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'll show you how to apply epsilon elimination in a context-free grammar. No unnecessary yapping. Let's dive in. Let's apply epsilon elimination to this grammar. S produces A, B, C, D, or B. A produces B, S, or D, E. B produces A or epsilon. C produces B, E, or C. D produces E, E, or S. E produces B or epsilon. Step 1. Find all non-terminals that produce epsilon. B produces epsilon, so B is yes. E produces epsilon, so E is yes. C produces BE, and since both B and E produce epsilon, C is also yes. So our non-terminal produce epsilon are B, C, and E. Step 2. For every production with non-terminals produce epsilon, add new productions by omitting those variables. For S produces AB as the original. Since B is producing epsilon, omit B and write A. Keep CD as the original. Since C is producing epsilon, omit C and write D. B stays the same. For A, keep BS as the original. Since B is producing epsilon, omit B and add S. Keep DE as the original. Since E is producing epsilon, omit E and write D. For B, we keep A. For C, keep BE as original. Both B and E are producing epsilon, so write B and E C. Stays same. For D, keep EE as original. Both E's are producing epsilon, so add E. D produces S, stays the same. For E, we keep B. Now, remove all epsilon productions. So, the final grammar is S produces A, B, A, C, D, D, or B. A produces B, S, D, or D. B produces A. C produces BE, BE, or C. D produces E, EE, or S. E produces B. All epsilon productions are now eliminated. To summarize, first, find all non-terminals that produce epsilon. Second, add new productions by omitting those non-terminals. Finally, remove all epsilon productions. That's how you remove epsilon in a context-free grammar. Thanks for watching.